Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Blueprint. If you're a teenager in 2025 and you're tired of being broke or relying on your parents for every little thing, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you 10 legit ways you can start making money as a teenager this year. These are not sketchy apps or surveys, these are real, practical methods that work, even if you're still in high school. Let's get right into it. First up, sell digital products. If you're even a little creative, this is something you can start today. You can create planners, resumes, aesthetic templates, flashcards, even things like printable to-do lists. Use Canva to design them, then sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. You make it once and can sell it over and over again. That's passive income, and you don't even need to deal with shipping or inventory. Second, start a YouTube or TikTok channel. I know, it sounds like everyone says this, but there's a reason why. You can grow fast if you pick a niche and stay consistent. Talk about something you're into: gaming, tech reviews, school tips, fashion, literally anything. Short-form content like YouTube Shorts or TikToks can help you grow way faster than ever before. Once you build an audience, you can make money from ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own stuff. Number 3, reselling thrifted clothes or sneakers. If you have a good eye, go to thrift stores or check Facebook Marketplace. Look for name brand items that are undervalued. Clean them up, take good photos, and list them on Depop, Poshmark, or eBay. Sneakers are another big one. Limited releases can be flipped for a solid profit on StockX or Goat. If you're good in a subject like math, skills, English, or science, you can offer to help younger students. You can tutor kids in your school, your neighborhood, or even online using Zoom. Parents are always looking for affordable, relatable tutors who actually get the material and can explain it in a way that makes sense. And you can easily charge 15 to 30 bucks an hour, sometimes more depending on your area. Fifth, social media management. Hear me out, there are tons of local businesses and solo entrepreneurs who have no clue how to run an Instagram page or make TikToks. If you already know how to edit reels or make cool graphics, this is a huge opportunity. Offer to run their social media accounts. You can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 a month per client. It's recurring income, and you don't need a degree to do it, just results. Sixth, freelancing. Go to sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Discord servers or Reddit communities. You can offer graphic design, video editing, basic animation, voiceovers, writing, whatever you're good at. You don't need to be a pro. You just need to be good enough to deliver what the client needs. The best part? You're building a portfolio and getting paid while you learn. Seventh, pet sitting or dog walking. This one's simple and solid. People need someone to take care of their pets while they're at work or traveling. You can use apps like Rover, or just post in local Facebook groups and let friends and family know you're available. It pays well, it's flexible, and you get to hang out with dogs. It doesn't get much better than that. Eighth, start a print-on-demand merch store. You design it, someone else prints and ships it. You can create t-shirts, mugs, stickers, anything with a message or design that connects with people. Use sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. It's low risk because you don't buy any inventory up front. You just create, upload, and promote your stuff online. Ninth, offer a local service. This could be mowing lawns, cleaning garages, washing cars, setting up tech, or even running errands for neighbors. These things seem simple, but people will pay for convenience. Especially older folks who just want help with basic tasks. Start with your own neighborhood. Once you do a good job, word spreads and it grows fast. And 10th, sell Notion templates or study tools. Notion is super popular right now, especially with students and productivity nerds. If you can build a clean and useful Notion layout, like a homework tracker, goal planner, or budget sheet, people will pay for it. You can sell it on Etsy or link it directly in your social media bios. It's another digital product, so again, create it once, and sell it over and over. So there you go, 10 legit ways to make money as a teenager in 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but if you pick even one of these and stick with it, I promise you'll start to see results. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, it helps way more than you think. Don't forget to subscribe to Budget Blueprint for more weekly videos on money, side hustles, and building your future $1 at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.